Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina. Pa force majeure kayo. Yung force majeure, applicable kay Tambuli, kay Makilala, hindi. Eh, ba't di nyo pabigay dun sa Mikaya?
Sorry sir, as I mentioned earlier, hindi ko masyadong kabisado yung
So,
history.
sir, assuming tama ka na si Tambuli ang nag-apply noong 2003, kung hindi niya to ginalawa ng 8 taon, di ba? Hindi niya ginalawa ng 8 taon. 2003 plus 8 years, that would be 2011. In 2011, dapat nag-expire na to. Paano niya napasa pa kay Makilala nang walang nangyayari at walang ginagawa, tapos biglang si Makilala nagawa ng paraan para mag-grantan nyo ngayon ng EP noong 2023. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina. Pa force majeure kayo. Yung force majeure, applicable kay Tambuli, kay Makilala, hindi. Eh, ba't di nyo pabigay dun sa Mikaya? So, I go back, sir. Please submit to us the report. Ano ba talaga ang kwento nitong Makilalang to? Again, I refer to EP-011-2023-CAR. Applied for, ang contact information is Attorney Julito R. Sarmiento. Location is Pasig, Kalinga. Area in hectares is 947.6700. Commodity is gold. Date of approval is 9/29/2023. Expiration is 9/29/2025. What I want to know, sir, is pang ilang extension na to ng EP, if ever? By the way, pag nagpalit na may-ari, may panibago ba siyang 8 years? Sir, what does your regulation say? Pag nagpalit ng may-ari, kamukha nito, from Tambuli to Makilala, may fresh 8 years na naman ba siyang 2222?
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir, kung wala nga, ba't umabot ng 2023, 2000, 2 decades? So for 2 decades, walang nangyari dito?
Apparently, yung case kasi ng Tambuli, sir, tumigil ka talaga to. Tas kaya,
Bakit nga hindi na-cancel at bakit nalipat pa niya kay Makilala? That's my question. Wala na siya dapat pag-aari dyan na pwedeng i-assign. And this might be the situation for other mining companies. That's my point. Why are you tolerating it? Good morning and welcome, Yusek David. There was a pending question earlier. I asked a question with respect to the law and your regulations. 2 years, pwedeng i-grant ng director. The fourth 2-year period to total 8, secretary na lang ang mag-grant. Under your regulations, is force majeure an exemption? Or is it simply done in practice? If it is, can you cite to me the section, sir, of the law or the regulations that force majeure is indeed an exemption to the rule? Please, sir.
Yes, if I may answer, Mr. Chair.
Please, sir.
Mr. Chair, what I did was that I asked them to check out the template exploration permit contract between with the DNR, and there is a provision which provides for the fortuitous event clause.
Sir, I agree with you that contract is law between the parties, but my question is, under existing law and under the regulations of the DNR, is force majeure an exemption?
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, we checked so far. We haven't found any.
Neither have I, because I read it too. So what is the basis of including that, if at all? Yes, ma'am. What's your name, ma'am?
Attorney Sascon, Mr.
Attorney?
Chair. Attorney Sascon, Josephine Sascon.
Yes, ma'am. You are with?
MGP, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
The force majeure is stated in RA 7942, the Philippine Mining Act, as well as DAO 2010-21, the implementing rules and regulations.
What section, ma'am? What section of 7942?
7942, it is provided under the definition of terms, section 3, RA 7942. And for DAO 2010-21,
Okay?
It is also under the definition of terms.
It's in the
and-
definition of terms, ma'am, but where is it used? In the law.
Under the DAO 2010-21 po, it is stated under the terms and conditions of the FTA.
In the law muna tayo. Sa law muna tayo, ma'am.
Sa law po, Mr. Chair, wala po siyang nakalagay.
Dinefine lang yun.
Dinefine lang po.
Wala po nakalagay kung saan gagamitin.
Wala po.
Tapos sa DAO, ano yun, ma'am?
Sa DAO 2010-21, yung pong IRR ng RA 7942, it is also indicated under the definition of terms as well as under the terms and conditions of FTA only.
That,
Under FTA only.
what do you mean by FAA only, ma'am?
Yung sa financial and technical...
FTA, yeah,
Opo,
FTA.
opo, FTA. Nandun po siya sa terms and conditions ng FTA.
Sa EP,
Sa EP, sir, wala po eh. Pero, according to Sir Danny, it is provided in the permit.
no, that's my problem, ma'am. Kung wala sa batas, sinong nagmagaling na nilagay yun doon? Again, this is one of the reasons it seems na pinangahawakan ng apply, wala namang ginagawa, ang gusto lang talaga i-flip at ibenta. At habang hindi flip at binibenta, nakatenga yun doon. At dahil i-flip at ibibenta niyan, nadadagdagan ngayon yung may kakayahan sana na gawin yon, yung exploration, kesa diretso na sanang magastos sa pag-explore, kailangan pa ngayon siyang bayaran at kailangan pa niya mangumisyon. Why is that being done? And then he's given the right to keep it and sell it after several decades. Makilala would be a good example. Out of curiosity, sir, Engineer De Lanya, si Tambuli ba may MPSA bang natuloy ito? Kahit isa?
Negative, sir.
Oh, ilan ang EP niya?
Ang sa pagka...
I don't know this person from Adam, ah. I
Oh.
just got his name from you, but ilan ang EP niya na ginrant to your knowledge?
Ang pag-alam ko, sir, yung Tamboli, dalawa po ito eh. And both were purchased ng grupo ng makilala.
Exactly. E di pinagkakitaan lang niya. Inupuan, pinagkakitaan to the detriment of the Filipino people and if at all the economy. Tapos gobyerno pa bumili at nagbayad, anak ng tinapa naman. Para tayong ginisa sa sariling mantika eh. Don't you agree and don't you see it?
Yeah.
So attorney, again, what is the basis if at all of including that in all, as a lawyer, in all the licenses granted? If it is not in the law, why put it there? We own the rights to that. In fact, we own the minerals. The state owns the minerals. Why will we bend over backwards to the applicant and give this benefit? And put it in the contract? It's a civil code concept, I understand that. But let them allege it. Why are we putting it in the contract? Lahat po ba ng EP ganyan? Since time immemorial?
Mr. Chair, ever since, I believe it was not revised. It is still the template for the EP.
Since, can you give me a year? Since time immemorial?
Since 1995. I believe, sir, from the enactment of RA 7942, which is 1995.
Well, I agree with you with respect to FTA, but our discussions earlier was with respect to EP. Sabi ko, wala ako nakita eh. Kaya sabi ko, nakita ko dun sa definition of terms, pero walang sinabi kung saan gagamitin at anong application. Do you agree, ma'am, as a lawyer, you're with MGB, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
That is the main reason why licenses, EPs are being held onto by certain people that have no intention whatsoever of actually exploring and simply waiting for the proper time to sell it to someone who might be interested.